In this video, 12 dangerous diseases alleviated by eating okra. Yes, okra, scientifically known as Abolmicious esculentus, is not just a versatile addition to culinary creations, it also boasts a range of health benefits. Packed with nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, okra has been associated with potential alleviation of various diseases. And so, let us together explore 12 health conditions where incorporating okra into your diet may offer supportive effects. And before we begin, here is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only, and is not meant to be a substitute for direct medical care or advice from a doctor or a dietitian or nutritionist. Alright, so, here we go. 1. Diabetes. Yes, okra has been studied for its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. Specifically, the soluble fiber in okra may slow down sugar absorption, contributing to better blood sugar control in individuals with diabetes. 2. Digestive issues. Being rich in fiber, okra aids digestion by promoting bowel regularity. In particular, the fiber content helps prevent constipation and supports a healthy digestive system. 3. Joint pain and inflammation. Research has also established that okra contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. And so, regular consumption may contribute to reducing joint pain and inflammation, benefiting individuals with conditions like arthritis. 4. Heart disease. It has also been discovered that okra's fiber and antioxidant content may contribute to heart health. In particular, the soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, and antioxidants may protect the cardiovascular system. 5. Asthma. Keep in mind that okra is a source of vitamin C, an antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory properties. And so, including vitamin C-rich foods, like okra, in the diet, may potentially benefit individuals with asthma by reducing inflammation. 6. Digestive ulcers. Yes, okra's mucilage content, a sticky substance produced when cut, may provide a protective coating for the digestive tract. What's more, this mucilage has been studied for its potential to soothe and protect against digestive ulcers. 7. Kidney disease. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in okra may contribute to kidney health by reducing oxidative stress. Additionally, okra's potential diuretic properties may support kidney function by promoting the elimination of waste products from the body. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 8. Colon cancer. Yes, okra's fiber content has been associated with a reduced risk of colon cancer. Specifically, fiber promotes regular bowel movements, preventing the buildup of potentially harmful substances in the colon. 9. Anemia. Also bear in mind that okra is a good source of iron, a key component in preventing and alleviating anemia. As such, including iron-rich foods like okra to your diet can contribute to maintaining healthy hemoglobin levels. 10. Skin conditions. Research suggests that the antioxidants in okra, including vitamin C and polyphenols, may benefit the skin by reducing oxidative stress and this could potentially contribute to healthier skin, but also alleviate certain skin conditions. 12. Eye problems. Yes, remember that okra is also a good source of vitamin A, essential for maintaining eye health. Now, adequate vitamin A intake is associated with a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, as well as other eye conditions. 12. Respiratory problems. Indeed, okra's vitamin C content may support respiratory health by promoting a strong immune system. And adequate vitamin C intake is associated with a reduced risk of respiratory infections and may help alleviate symptoms in individuals with conditions like asthma. 13. Detoxification issues. Yes, the fiber in okra aids in digestion, but also helps move waste through the digestive tract efficiently. And this may contribute to the body's natural detoxification processes, supporting the elimination of toxins from the body. 14. Cognitive function problems. Research has also found that okra contains nutrients like folate, as well as vitamin K, which are essential for brain health. Specifically, folate is associated with cognitive function, and vitamin K is crucial for maintaining healthy brain structure. And so, including okra in your diet may significantly contribute to cognitive well-being. 15. Weight management issues. Keep in mind that the fiber in okra contributes to a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management. And by promoting satiety, okra may help control appetite and prevent overeating. Do you have any other insights to add to the list? If you do, let us know them in the comments section below. And to wind up, always remember that while okra shows promise in supporting health, it is essential to approach it as part of a well-balanced diet. In this case, too, including a variety of nutrient-dense foods, and consulting with healthcare professionals for personalized advice, are crucial steps in promoting overall well-being. And so, 3. Whether you enjoy it in stews, stir-fries, or as a standalone side dish, exploring the culinary possibilities of okra may contribute to both your palate and your health. And if you find value in this video, we will appreciate it if you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you get notified every time we upload new videos of this nature on this channel. Thank you for watching.